students. Today's lesson is about if conditional. When could we use if, the word if? We have the zero conditional and the first conditional. Let's explain exactly what is the zero conditional. The zero conditional, we use it when we're talking about facts. When we're talking about facts, we use the zero conditional. What is the form of the zero conditional? If, and comes after it the present simple tense of the verb, and then the other sentence should be in the present simple tense also. So when we're talking about the fact, we should use present simple in both sentences, with if. For example, if water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. We have here two present simple verbs, reaches and boils. If you heat ice, it melts. Heat and melts. Both of them are in the present simple tense. So let's answer the questions that we have in the booklet. Just a second. Okay. Letter A, choose the correct answer. If you freeze water, it becomes becoming a solid. It becomes. Plants did die if they don't get enough water. Plants die. 3. If my husband have a cold, I usually get infected. If my husband has. 4. If you mixed will mix red and blue, you get purple. If you mix. Number 5. If the temperature dropping below 0, the water freezes. If the temperature drops. Number 6. If you throw a piece of wood in water, it floating. It floats. Number 7. If you press this button, the DVD turns on. If you heating water, it boils. If you heat water, it boils. Complete the sentences. If you press that button, the light comes on. 2. It's easier to sleep if you aren't stressed. Aren't, because this is the present simple of verb to be. As we said before, that verb to be in the present simple tense is am or is or are. And you takes are, and it's in the negative, so it's aren't. 3. If I go on a boat, I always feel sick. 4. You get wet if you stand in the rain. 5. If my daughter eats chocolate, she gets sick. 6. Tom doesn't sleep early if he drinks tea. Both are in the present simple tense, one in the negative form and one in the affirmative form. Number 7. If you freeze water, it turns to ice. Okay guys, now I have ended up the session. I hope that you understand the first conditional of if. And thank you for listening. Have a good day.